The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, I know you all are eagerly waiting to hear the remaining part of the story, isn't it? Yes, today shall we continue the story? Yes, before that, let us recollect what we have learned in our previous class. The story goes like this. There lived many animals in a jungle. They were all living happily. One day, a cruel and greedy lion came to the forest and started to live with them. The lion killed many animals. One day, the animals thought of a plan. They decided to speak with the lion. They met the lion and told that one day one animal will come to your den and it will be your meal. The lion agreed. It was the turn of a rabbit. That day the rabbit went very slowly. The rabbit was late. The lion got angry. Yes, till here we learned in the previous class. Now let us see what happened. Yes, I will read the lesson. You listen to it carefully. Okay? Why are you so late? Roared the lion. The rabbit was shivering. He looked scared. The rabbit did not know what to say. He then replied, I am late because of other lion in the jungle. The rabbit was afraid of the lion. Was shivering. Shivering means shaking because of fear. Shaking his body. He was shivering like anything because he was afraid. The lion will eat him. So he is afraid. He is shivering with fear. I am late because of other lion in the jungle. There is one more lion in the jungle. Jungle means forest. So I came late. Another lion in my jungle, roared the lion. The lion roared. Roared means make a loud sound. Okay, make a loud sound. Take me to him at once. Now itself you should take me to that lion. This lion asked the rabbit. The rabbit took the lion deep into the jungle. They came to a big well. The rabbit took the lion deep into the jungle. They came to a big well. That is, they went deep inside the forest. They came to near a big well. There is the other lion. The rabbit pointed towards the well. The rabbit showed the lion the well. In that well, there is a lion, he told. He looked into the well. The lion looked into the well. He saw another lion looking back at him from the water. What did he see? He saw another lion looking at him. He saw another lion looking at him from the well. He roared with rage. The lion roared with rage. The lion in the water roared back at him. What happened? This lion roared with extreme anger. He was angry. He was very angry. So he roared. The lion in the water also roared back at him. What happened? The lion in the well also, inside the well, that lion also roared back at the lion. I am the only king of this jungle, he screamed. He told loudly. What did he tell? He told that I am the only king of this jungle. Okay, the lion jumped into the water to attack the other lion. He did not know that he was attacking his own reflection. What happened? The lion jumped into the water. The lion jumped into the water to attack the other lion. He did not know that he was attacking his own reflection. Reflection means the image that is seen on a mirror or on a water. So this poor lion doesn't know that it is his own reflection. He thought it is another lion in the water and it jumped into the water to attack him. Okay. And he thought he will fight against him. The lion drowned in the well. When he jumped into the water, it drowned. Drowned means sink. Mungipoy. He was never heard of again. The lion drowned in the well and he couldn't come up. So he was never heard of again. The lion drowned in the water and was never heard of again. Yes. What does it mean? The lion died in the water. It couldn't come out. After drinking a lot of water, the lion died in the well. The rabbit returned happily to his burrow. What is burrow? It is a place where rabbits live. The lions live in den. The place where lions live is den. The place where rabbits live is a burrow. The hole that rabbits live. All the other animals were surprised to find him alive. The rabbit told them about the trick that he played on the lion. The rabbit returned happily to his burrow. The rabbit was very happy because the lion couldn't eat him. He played a trick on the lion and all the animals were surprised to find him alive. When he returned back to the forest, all the animals were surprised. They were shocked to see the rabbit coming back happily. The rabbit told the animals that the trick he played on the lion. What had happened to the lion? All the animals cheered and hugged the rabbit. All the animals were happy. They called him clever and smart. All the animals cheered and hugged the rabbit. They all hugged the rabbit. They were happy. Then they called him clever and smart. They called the rabbit clever and smart. We are finally free, said a deer. Now we are free, said a deer. Now they can live happily without fear, isn't it? Yes. So, the moral of the story is, look before you leave. Look before you leave, said the old owl wisely. That is, before you do something, you have to think. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. That is the moral. Okay? Said an owl wisely. You are all happy to hear the story, isn't it? You also should think before you do something, otherwise you will be in trouble. Once more, I will read this part. Listen to it carefully. Why are you so late? Roared the lion. The rabbit was shivering. He looked scared. The rabbit did not know what to say. He then replied, I am late because of the other lion in the jungle. Another lion in my jungle, roared the lion. Take me to him at once. The rabbit took the lion deep into the jungle. They came to a big well. there is the other lion. The rabbit pointed towards the well. The lion looked into the well. He saw another lion looking back at him from the water. He roared with rage. The lion in the water roared back at him. I am the only king of this jungle, he screamed. The lion jumped into the water to attack the other lion. He did not know that he was attacking his own reflection. The lion drowned in the well. He was never heard of again. The rabbit returned happily to his burrow. All the other animals were surprised to find him alive. The rabbit told them about the trick that he played on the lion. All the animals cheered and hugged the rabbit. They called him clever and smart. We are finally free, said a deer. Look before you leave, said an old owl wisely. So children, hope you are clear with this story. Let us recollect the story. What is the story about? Yes, it is about the rabbit and the lion. Then in a jungle, there were many animals. They lived happily. One day, a cruel and greedy lion came to the forest and it started living with them. It killed many animals, isn't it? So what happened? The animals in the jungle had a plan. They met the lion and told that each day one animal will come to you and it will be your meal for the day. Now it is rabbit's turn to go. He went very slowly. He was late. He roared at the rabbit and asked, "Why are you late?" What did the rabbit tell? Yes, the rabbit told that there is another lion in the jungle. The lion shouted, "Another lion in the jungle!" He told, "I am the only king in the forest." He asked the rabbit to show that lion. Rabbit took the lion to the deep forest. They went inside the forest and showed a well. What did the lion do? The lion went near the well and looked into the well. He saw another lion in the water. He roared at him. This lion roared at the another lion. That lion also roared back at him. The poor lion didn't know that it was his own reflection. He jumped into the well. And what happened? It drowned in the water and couldn't come out again. The rabbit went back to his burrow happily. All his friends were surprised to see him coming back. The rabbit told his friends the trick played by him on the lion. They called the rabbit smart and clever. What is the moral of the story? Yes, look before you leap. Leap means jump. It is, you should think before you do something. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. Okay? Write the new words with meanings 3 times in your notebook. Okay? Hope you understood this session. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye. See you.